A health alert tonight. Officials are warning about an outbreak of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, reported in southern Lorain County. The Lorain County Public Health Department said it is monitoring and addressing the outbreak after positive pertussis cases were reported. Officials say the disease spreads easily when an infected person coughs or sneezes around someone else. The bacterial infection can be serious, especially in pregnant women or anyone with asthma or weakened immune system or babies younger than 1 year old.